This is how you embed a document into a PowerPoint, which is one of the easiest ways to build a portfolio. So I have my PowerPoint and I've added a slide. This is what it looks like when a document is embedded, meaning when I share this, someone only needs to click on that icon and my paper will be there for them. So how do I embed a document? And it does have to be a Word doc. You can't do this with a PDF. So if your brief papers are not Word docs, then using PowerPoint is not your best way to go. You could do a Prezi, which you can upload a file into. You could do a Google Slide, which you could upload a file into. Additionally, what I could do is post every one of my 3 papers inside a Google folder, make sure they're viewable by anyone with the link, and simply put the hot links in here. But first, I'm going to show you how you embed a document. So here is where I want my document to go. I go up to Insert, and I'm going down to Object. Object. I'm inserting an object. Not Create New. I'm linking to an existing, whoops, let's go back. I'm linking to an existing file. All right. My file is already built out. I just need to select it. Sample paper 2. There it is. That's what I'm going to embed. Now this is important. Display as icon. If I don't do this, it's going to mess up the entire portfolio. Display as icon. Okay. Now it takes a minute, and I will share with you, for some reason, sometimes you get an error message and you have to do it twice, but that's okay. This time it didn't do it. Just going to move it where I want it. Put a little space there. There we go. I don't like the spacing there. There we go. That looks better. Move this down. And, you know, format it as you want. Make it look nice. Now, let's say for topic 3, what I wanted to do, paper 3, excuse me, is embed a hot link. My paper is inside a Google Drive. I'd rather do that. I think it'll look better. I don't like the way that looks. There we go. That looks better. If I wanted to do a hot link, if I had this paper inside my Google Drive, I need to make sure the security settings are so that anyone with the link could view. And then I would paste in, oops, HTTP, whatever my link is, blah, 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 blah. I would select it, and I would go back into Insert, but then I would do the hyperlink. All right? That's if I have PDFs instead of documents. But I actually have a document. So, again, what do? I'm going to insert. Remember, just like I did the first time, I go up to Insert. I'm inserting an object. Create from File. It's a misnomer, I know. But as long as you click File, you'll be fine. It's on my desktop. It's in my folder. Blah, blah, blah. Sample 3. All right, display as icon. There's the icon. Click. Give it a moment. There it is. Beautiful. There are my 3 papers. Now, I could put my ethnographic study, my ethnography on this page, or I could just as easily add another slide. And I'm going to do the exact same thing. I don't need that there. This is my ethnography. And do I have a title for it? If I do, I'll put it in. Otherwise, I will simply do exactly the same thing. I will go up to Insert. I will insert an object. Create from File. When it's done, I will display as icon. Click OK. And that will be here on this page. That's it. Now, what you might consider doing is on this page, or maybe add a slide in before the brief papers. Anyway, a single paragraph somewhere. Introduce yourself. I am Jane Doe. I am a 7th grade teacher of mathematics. These are my critical thoughts on sociology. Just a brief introduction, and then format it so that it's still easy to read, but it's aesthetically pleasing. This is one of the easiest ways to create a portfolio. Because the papers are embedded, anyone who gets access to this PowerPoint will have access. Those documents are now built in for easy retrieval.